Hey, I'm going to review this GE General Electric window unit. I think it's a 6,420 BTU, but I'm not sure. GE makes so many BTUs that are so random and different, but they're all pretty good. GE makes like pretty good window units. Okay, here are your levers, your filter. Oh, okay. Well, good job, GE. I'm just playing. GE's pretty good. They're older products, so I haven't tried the newer products yet. But I'll try that eventually. Oops, actually. Okay, so here's your evaporator. Turn it on. See, first I put on low fan. You can see the it's really quiet. That is low. Compressor. Here's medium. The fan is strong. High. Wow. This fan is strong. Holy heck. Heck to the dang, this thing's strong. It's making a funny noise. Yeah, someone threw this out. I don't know why. Alright, let's go back on low. Alright, let's see. Compressor start up. It's getting cold pretty quickly. The compressor. It doesn't sound powerful, but it is powerful though. This is low. Yeah, it's pretty nice. This model. Yeah, it's getting cold right here. Yeah, that's getting cold. I'll give it a second to get up top. Yeah, it's getting there. Yeah, here's medium again. Medium. That's medium. That's low. High or medium. That's medium. High. Okay, I'm gonna go around here and feel it to the back. See how strong the fan is back here. Yeah, it's pushing some air. Get around this. Back on low. Yeah, it's getting there. And it feels really good outside. This cold air blowing outside feels really nice. But that bill's gonna get high. And I can't put it out here for too long. But yeah, this thing's pretty nice. I did already clean it up. Get all the gunk out of it. Just good. What was washed right above my head? Okay. Hate those things. They're annoying. Okay. I'll put on the fan again so it'll kind of defrost it a little bit. Usually when you turn the fan after it's on the compressor, it smells really good. But that's for some. It's kind of hard to put in. But it's doable. Yeah, that's a strong fan. This is good. Goes down, up, or right here. Whatever you want. Just go left and right, straight, forward. Pretty easy. This has a strong fan. But it does have a filter light. So all you have to do is hold it in. and it resets itself. 250 hours of usage. Well, I guess that'll be it. One thing I do note about it, it does not have a drain plug, but that is fine. It doesn't need one. And it does use styrofoam. Alright, peace out.